Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see review of Navratna Oil. But before that, according to me, one should have proper knowledge about the product. Whether product is useful to me, is it an Ayurvedic or they have used chemicals? Is it safe for me and my family? You will get answers of all these questions on our channel. So, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe. So, this brand is used by our parents, or you can say our previous generation have been using this product. So, this small sachet I got at supermarket, which is a really cute. Our parents used bottle of Navratna. So let's speak about this product. They have given the name of the product in Hindi. Navratna Ayurvedic Tel. Tel means oil. Thanda means cool. You will able to see the picture of some herbs along with ice cubes. They have given no असरदार जड़ी बूटियों के साथ. That means it has 9 effective Ayurvedic herbs. Below that, they have given Rahat, which means satisfaction. Aram means relax. Tarotaza means refreshing your mind. Packaging is also the olden one which they have used for bottle. But here it has come in a sachet. Just like small shampoo sachet. Now let's speak about the rare side of the packaging. They have given the list of ingredients which they have used in this product. I'll mention the ingredient list in the description box below. You can pause this video and read it out. But if you read the list of ingredients which they have used, then you will able to find that they have used chemicals in the product. Because if it's fully Ayurvedic, then how you will able to feel cool by using natural ingredients? You must have noticed at your house when your grandparents or any family members apply this oil to their hair, then they do feel relaxed and feel sleepy. Any of the family members applies this oil to their hair and then they tell that person to do little bit head massage so that they feel relaxed and satisfied. Now tell me, if you apply amla mask to your hair, do you feel sleepy? Of course no. So think again how much chemicals they have used. Even I have seen hair fall issues when someone applies this oil to their hair. But if your grandparents do apply, also you will see the same problem they face, but they will be least bothered. I am not against this brand, but I am just one of the customers like you who want best product for me and my family. And the opinion shared by me is my personal opinion. I had purchased this product hoping that they might have improved in the quality and at least hair fall will be stopped. But you already know the answer. This product is manufactured by Imami Limited, Amingao, Guwahati. They have given their email ID so that you can contact them if you have any queries. The net quantity of this product is 2.7 ml. The cost of this product is 1 rupee only. Pros of this product. If you are not getting sleep, then you can use this oil. Second, it relaxes your mind. Cons. They have used lot of chemical. Lastly, I'll recommend you to purchase this sachet at home. So you'll be having satisfaction that you have used less chemicals on your head. Do let me know your experience about the product if you use this product at home, and One more thing, you will able to purchase these sachets at medical store which is nearby to your house. That's all in this video. Do let me know your views in the comment section below. Thank you.